Namaste, Suprabhatam Sarvesham. Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain about the hard work, effort. There is one Samskrita shloka explaining about the effort. It is very famous. Udyoginam purusha simhamupaiti lakshmihi दैवेन देयमिति का पुरुषा वदन्ति दैवं निहत्य पुरुपौरुषमात्मशक्त्या यत्ने कृते यदि न सिद्ध्यति कोत्र दोषः. This shloka emphasizes the importance of hard work, self-reliance and perseverance in achieving success. It contrasts the idea of relying on divine fortune with the value of personal effort. Udyoginam purusha simham upayiti lakshmihi. Udyogi, that means who is the industrial person, he will gain the wealth. Daivena deyamiti kapurusha vadanti. Kapurusha means the weak-minded people. Those who are weak-minded people, they say that wealth comes from divine grace to a man. But the industrious man attains the wealth through his own efforts. Like how lion will attain its prey. If a person puts in effort with his own strength and skill, and he still not succeed, there is no fault on his side. Yatne krute. Yatna means effort. If he has put effort, yadi nasidhyati, he is not succeed. Kotra doshaha. And what is the fault in his side? If he don't put effort, hard work, then the fault will be in his side. So if he is putting his hard work, effort, then no fault in his side. So all of us put the effort to achieve our goals. Be happy in the life. Udyoginam purusha simhamupaiti lakshmihi daivena deyamiti ka purusha vadanti दैवं निहत्य पुरुपौरुषमात्मशक्त्या यत्ने कृते यदि न सिद्ध्यति कोत्र दोषः. धन्यवादः.